Underwater domain is a very, very crucial aspect. With 7,500 kilometers of our coastline, we are obviously sitting on a very large mass of which is nothing but water. I mean, somebody said that water, and ultimately it is water on land. So you have deep sea, and but Indian Ocean, the only country which can legitimately say that they have all the flavor of the Indian Ocean is India. And not only that, huge amount of traffic, important traffic, strategic traffic, the entire oil this thing goes from the south of India. And therefore, if there are increase or incidents of piracy, and we talked about Indonesia's problems, piracy is also another problem which they have. So if there's increasing piracy, the world first sees that what can India do? And Indian presence in the coastline of East Africa, Northeast Africa, and the Middle East is extremely important. And so it is also in Indonesia, that is right up to the Sunda Straits. Now, without understanding the sea, and the architecture of the sea is very, very important, and therefore it would be very interesting if mapping of the underwater of the entire Indian Ocean is done so that we can legitimately have this as our backwaters.